with Raven.
Hi, this is Art with Raven. Today we're going to be making pom-pom animals. What you need one pom-pom kit or two pom-pom kits and glue dots. Let's get started. I'm gonna open it up. And the craft comes with instructions. We separated both of the two animals, and they pop out. Okay, so get your glue dots, and you're going to see the dot that's like a glue. Then you put it on. You kind of push it on there hard, and then you pull it off. Sometimes it doesn't work. Now since you have the glue dot on it, you can put the two pom-poms together. Okay, so get your bow and then put it like that. Next you need glue dots and the eyes. Get a glue dot and do your beak next. Get your glue dots and get your two arms. Get two glue dots and put the glue dots on your feet. Okay, now you have a derpy chicken, and for the other ones, you can just follow the instructions. Here's the bunny. Now we made the sheep. Here's the bunny. And here's all the Easter animals.